Hello, this is Compound Interest Stock Guy, and today in this video I'm just going to be talking about the cannabis stocks, a little bit about commodities, so stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the bell down below, give me a thumbs up, I appreciate it. I also want to disclose I'm not a financial advisor, this is just for entertainment information purposes. Do not buy or sell based on anything I talk about. Buy or sell after you did your research, your due diligence, and you like the investments you're pursuing. So yeah, I'm just in my room right now, and just got off work, and yeah, I'm gonna want to talk about some cannabis stocks going on today. So yeah, well, how's everybody doing on Thursday? Yeah, Thursday morning. So Saniva is going up a lot today. I'm not really sure why. There's no news on it. Basically, my thinking is that they might be getting close to getting the deal closed with and getting the money from the company that was buying their Okanagan Falls asset. So they have 19 million that's supposed to be coming in soon, and then uh, just probably just also the fact that it's September as well, and it was beaten so hard that people are just buying because they know it's a good deal. Because the market cap, I mean, yeah, they had a bad quarter last quarter, but they still are set to be a very big player in California. So, yeah, that's my opinion. What else? Tilt says they have 2,000 brands or something. I don't have the news release with me, but it was something of a milestone for them. But they're not getting up. They need to close that 125 million financing from the company that they were going to get the 8% in interest, and then as soon as they do that, then that'll be positive for the company. And then I think they're going to run. Namaste is running really hard. I own some warrants in them. We'll see. But yeah, they're running really hard. They've been on a downward trend, so who knows how high they could go, but I honestly could see them go really high. Um, but yeah, I mean, I'm not going to tell you to panic buy or anything like that and go FOMO. I'm just saying my opinion on, uh, I think they have some pretty good technology for, and I think that the chocolates for edible legalization 2.0, I think they have something up their sleeves, and just their medical lineup of the way they do their business. What else? Well, True Leave's been pretty quiet. I'm just kind of waiting on hearing about if any of their storm if the storm had any damage to them, to their facility or their stores. Those are the things that I'm looking for before I acquire more. Yep. And then what else? I'm also, you know, VGW's going up. There's a lot. Tilray's going up a little bit. It's hard to say. Anyways, I'm just gonna. It's kind of crazy. It's in the morning, but I'm gonna have a little bit of this beer. I work from 8 p.m. till 6 in the morning, and then I get back to where I'm staying at 6:45. So this is like my night for me. So that's what's up. Uh, Commodities have been kind of wild. Crude's been going up. Crude's been going up really good in the last couple of days. I saw it up at about 57.50. The WTI, and then as I've been talking about, that when crude goes up, gold ends up going down. So that's been the case. Gold's going down. Platinum, it hit $1,000, which I said on my Twitter feed. I said it was gonna hit $1,000 within the day. I thought it was gonna hit it within a minute or so, like when it was about 990 for the first time, but it never hit it. And then And then I said, yeah, later on today I think it's gonna hit it, or tomorrow. But it only hit $1,000.80, and then it kind of went down. But when gold starts running up again, uh, I think it's gonna go back up. And then there's nickel, and then there's silver that have been going down, but copper's going up because copper kind of works in tandem with crude, because they're both industrial metals, and that's based on China going ahead, and that the deal looking good. So if the deal looks good and the market thinks the deal's good, then they'll push up crude and copper, and then gold tends to go down. So that's kind of the way things go. Yeah, but I mean, it's unpredictable. Apparently, September 18th, as I've been talking about, it's supposed to be a Fed meeting and then the rate cut. So we'll see about that. And then, yeah, I mean, I'm just kind of taking it easy here. Taking it easy. Get my weekend off, and I might do another video. If you guys like this video I'm doing in my room, I know lighting could be better and all that stuff, but I'm giving you good content and good information in a very, very brief summary. No bullshit. That's just the way I roll. There's some people on this YouTube that lie about things. I'm not one of those people. I'm an honest motherfucker, and I don't lie. I don't brag about things that aren't true. I don't do things like that. I just talk reality, and that's just the way I roll, because I'm a straight shooter. Sometimes maybe it's not the most appreciated or anything like that, but I'm just gonna tell it how I feel. I'm not gonna, so it's just my way of things. I think it's funny as well. On Twitter, there's a lot of people so obsessed with T God, and there's all these talks about, oh yeah, T God's gonna hit $500 million in 2020. It's like, they're not gonna hit 500 million in 2020. They're not. So who I think is gonna make a lot of money in 2020 is gonna be MetaFarm Labs. Yeah, MetaFarm Labs is gonna make a lot of money in 2020, and Aurora is going to make a lot of money in revenues in 2020. Harvest Health and Recreation is going to make a lot of money in 2020. Curaleaf is going to make a lot of money in 2020. I think Tilt's going to make a lot of money in 2020. But just because Tilt's going to make a lot of money doesn't mean that the share price won't be having problems in the near term, because they have to deal with getting their cash flow in. And then what else? I think Cannabis is gonna make good money, not the same amount of money as probably Harvest or Curaleaf, but they're gonna make pretty good money. And who else? I think Organigram will make pretty good money, but not significant money. And I think Zenabis should do pretty good too. Not the same. I think they'll probably do around 100 million. No, maybe higher. Actually, I'm lowballing. Maybe 150 to 225 million. I think Village Farm's gonna make a lot of money. Yeah, it's all. Those are pretty much the players that I think. I also think Green Thumb's is gonna make a lot of revenues, and MedMen's gonna make a lot of revenues. Yep, that's my opinion. But I don't think that T-God's going to make a lot of money. They'll make some money, but not everybody's going to spend a ton of money for organic weed. Only some shareholders and some random people. But not many people want to spend 17, 18 bucks for a gram of cannabis. So anyways, this is my little video in my room. Just giving it to you raw and unedited and legit, and speaking just going along with my feelings on the market with cannabis and the commodities. This is just the way I flow. It's my personality, and yeah, that's just the way I roll. So anyways, I hope you enjoy this video. Give me thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about different companies. I'll be getting back to your comments if you want me to talk about a certain company. I can do that when I get some time. And until next time, peace.